Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, cforcoder. Today, we are going to see about the topic, macros. So, what is a macro? A macro is a fragment of code which has been given a name. Whenever this name is used, it is replaced by the contents of the macro. There are two types of macros. First one is object-like macros. The second one is function-like macros. An object-like macro is a simple identifier which will be replaced by a code fragment. They are most commonly used to give symbolic names to numeric constants. Macros can be created by the hash-define directive, followed by the name of the macro, and then the token sequence. By convention, macro names are written in uppercase. Programs are easier to read when it is possible to tell at a glance which names are macros. Preprocessor will recognize and expand the macro as it is defined. Okay, now is the question time. What would be the output of this program? If you have got the answer, post it in the comments section. Function-like macros. The macros whose use looks like a function call is called function-like macros. The same hash-define directive is used for defining a function-like macro, as shown here. Function-like macros can take arguments as input. For this, you have to insert the parameters between the parentheses in the macro definition. If this function-like macro is called, the output according to the macro definition is returned. Small functions can be implemented using macros such as arithmetic operations, squaring, cubing, etc. An example program is provided for finding the maximum of two numbers. Now, the question time. What would be the output of this program? If you have got the answer, post it in the comments section. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel, cforcoder. Thank you.